Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto E14 and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and in this general list we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find digital well-being and parental controls. Let's tap. And right here we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. As you can see, in my case 1 hour and 15 minutes with 33 unlocks and 8 notifications. Most of the time I've spent on the settings, then Play Store, phone, camera and the other. So you've got two different ways to check some further details. You can either tap inside this graph and you will be transferred to the dashboard, which will show you for how long you've been using the device in particular days of the week. You can change the screen time, which is basic, to the notifications received and times opened, and as you can see you can compare them. Under it you've got the list of all apps which you've been using with the exact time you've spent on them. And the second way of checking the details is to tap directly on the app. So for example, the settings, Play Store, phone, etc. Let me tap on the settings, and as you can see again we've got the dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with this specific app, and you can check the screen time again and the notifications and times opened and daily to hourly, which is also quite nice. So basically this is the whole information about the well-being, about the screen time. What is more, if you decide that you are spending too much time on the screen, I highly recommend to check ways to disconnect. So for example, the focus mode or app limits, where you can select distracting apps, so probably some social media, etc. You can mark them, you can set a specific schedule, so choose particular days of the week and particular time, and after setting it, your device will simply hide the notifications from those distracting apps, so you will be able to focus on, for example, on the work or spending time with your family simply. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.